How to use non-standard custom font with Stylesheets. I have a pyqt for application that is being styled by an external .qss file by using the following code. Normally, I would specify the type of font that I like in the .qss file to use like this. But now I am wondering if it is possible for me to assign a custom font that I downloaded from internet, example, Droid Sans Mono, True Type font, instead of Windows Standard font? Note, I am using Windows XP SP 332 bits, with Python 2.7. Update 1. Based on a Qmro answer. I can use the custom font downloaded by adding it to the font database before loading the style sheet. After that, I can simply use the font name that I have just added in the style sheet like this. And it works.
This is just a guess, because I cannot test it myself, but you could try loading the font before setting the style sheet.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.